Hi, I'm Harry Wong. You see me in such fine quality chemistry, educational videos such as The Right Way to Do Chemistry and Explosions Are Us. Okay, this is the precipitation lab, and I wanted to show you what the basics are with this. First off, you're going to need some kind of a ocular safety device. Of course, in my case, I have the very awesome face shield. It kind of reminds me of the old Spartan helmets from like the movie 300. We also have a well plate. Now you may notice there's a bunch of little tiny wells in here. Okay, you also have your water bottle. Okay, we got a water bottle and we have a beaker. Okay, so now the beaker, not every group is going to need one. All right, I'm going to put the helmet off to the side. So what are we doing? We're testing out different chemicals to see if there's going to be a positive reaction or not. How does that work? You're going to get a checklist and you get to combine chemical A and chemical B. Now they are going to be clearly labeled, like for example, if you look here, and you may notice, hey, it's barium chloride. Right, it is. Okay, so how do you do this? How do we test? You're going to have your goggles on for this, okay, and you'll unscrew the cap, and you pick one of these, okay? So you're going to pick it, doesn't matter which one, and you're going to go ahead and you'll put in about 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yay, we got one down. Now, that's barium chloride. Now we're going to take another one, and I'm not going to give the identity away, and we're going to test chemical B, and we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2. Oh my goodness, jackpot. Did you see that? Do we have an instant replay? No, we're not having an instant replay, but this would be a positive result. Now, what's a positive result? That means when we combine 2 ionic compounds, we get a precipitate that forms. Well, what does the precipitate look like? For your lab, it looks just like this. It turned cloudy white. That would be an example of a precipitate forming. That's a positive result. Positive result. Okay? So that's what you're looking for. Now, what would happen if you did not have a positive result? Wow. What would that look like? Well, that's a good question. So if I were to go and take a chemical and pick another one of these, all right, I'll go ahead and I'll put it in here. I'll put 3 in there. All right. So I put a mysterious chemical in there. And now I'm going to take the second chemical and boom, 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 boom. Okay, put 3 drops. And you know, you can move the plate around a little bit to mix, but you know what? If you notice, it was pretty quick. Now, what do you notice with this one I just put in and this one that we did the first time? This is clear. It's see-through. That's a negative result, okay? If it's negative, that means no precipitate formed. It's negative. Negative result. It's not a positive result. That means no precipitate. Nothing solid formed and fell to the bottom of the well. Okay? Now, what about that white milky stuff that, gosh, it looks like milk. I ought to drink it. No, don't drink it. Don't drink it. That's a very bad idea. Because if you drink it, you could possibly die. So, no, don't do that. All right, so this is it. This is a positive result. This is a negative result. Are we done with the lab? No, we got to do cleaning up. And for cleaning up, ladies and gentlemen, I have to introduce the other pieces of equipment. There is going to be a beaker. That's fairly large. It's going to be on one side of the room. And we have the water bottle. Now, the idea behind the water bottle, ladies and gentlemen, is not to go and squirt other people. Not in the face, not in the back. That will make the instructor unhappy. Do not do that, okay? Poor decision making. So, let's look at this. How do we rinse this out? You're going to put the tray over the beaker like you're seeing here, and then you're going to take the water bottle and you're going to squirt out the water, okay? And the idea is you want to rinse it out like so, okay? That it's clear. Now, you get a paper towel and you dry it off, okay? You dry it off and now it's nice and clean, and now you're ready to do some other testings. So, ladies and gentlemen, that, folks, woo, I don't want to get too close to you guys. Okay, that, ladies and gentlemen, is the basic testing procedure for the precipitation lab. Okay, you're going to be working with several different chemicals. We're going to combine them in several different ways. If you get a positive result, it's going to be obvious, okay? Like that white cloudy stuff that looked like milk, but don't drink it. That would be stupid, okay? Now, if you got two chemicals and you combine them and it's clear, guess what? Not a positive result. Okay, that's it for this one. Hope you like the lab. Ciao.